Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an account for your StubHub on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, you can do this both on iOS or Android devices. So simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS or your Play Store on Android. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the search button and simply search for StubHub just like that. And finally, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on this application and click on download and install it onto your device. Finally, simply go ahead and click on your open button, and now you're going to be on this page where all you want to do is simply tap on create account. Now just enter your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and then a password, and you can simply go ahead and tap on create an account. If you don't want to go through all this hassle, you can just sign in with Facebook, Google, or Apple as well. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll